If you're thinking about coming to this theme park, stop thinking and start doing.
Welcome to Vialand!
Starting off with the biggest roller coaster of the park. This is Nefeskesen. In this video, there's not going to be a whole bunch of talking about all of the rides. We're just going to show you exactly what the theme park has on offer. So sit back and enjoy. Join us for the ride. Straight from Nefeskesen to Aladdin the Ride, one of the park's 4D cinemas. This one is great fun for the little ones. Walking down to the bottom half of the park, and now we're on the drop tower.
It will be good.
Oh, I hate these things.
Massa Upper S now, or the Adventurer, our second roller coaster credit of the day.
For those of you who don't know, I'm Troy.
And I'm Asha.
And we post weekly theme park and roller coaster videos. We are on a mission to ride a roller coaster and go to a theme park in every country in the world. Join us for the ride.
Top spin now, something that me and Asha would always try to avoid. This family water ride though is something not to be missed.
Unfortunately, as it is still winter, the Viking is closed today, so we can't show you what it looks like.
Second 4D cinema of the day, Bear and the Squirrel. If you're looking for big thrills, then this one you cannot miss. In a few weeks, we'll be releasing our comparison video between Vialand and Land of Legends, which is the best theme park in Turkey. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Second boat attraction of the day, this dark ride tells you the secret of Istanbul. Would you dare to take on King Kong? Now let's have a quick look at all of the kids' rides.
That was every ride in Vialand. If this video was too short for you, you can check out our full day vlog that's already on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.